And for you to go and do, let us say, for you to see the amount of money you are going to get at the end of the year if you invest this $100, what you can do is to take the ticket code, which is VUSA, and come to this website. Like, to monitor this your investment, go to this website, which is called Morningstar. Type in VUSA and just type VUSA. Just click on enter. Let us see VUSA, which is this one here. So click on that and it's going to open up. So once it opens up, you can see the price here, 104 euros and 74 cents, which is what is still showing us here on Lightyear platform. So you can see the price here, it never changed. And what you can do is to go back again and click on performance. So once you click on performance here, you need to scroll down to the section where it said trailing returns. You can go to the yearly earnings. So you can see the yearly earning, what have happened in the last year. You need to use that to calculate what is going to happen in the future. That is how you calculate it, because we don't know what is going to happen in the next year. If this share is going to go up or is going to drop down, we don't know anything. So what you can do, we are going to use what have happened in the past to calculate it, so that we are going to know the amount of money we are going to get at the end of the year. So what we need to do, this is a 1 year investment, which is 10.61%. That is the return of this S&P 500. We need to come to this my platform here and calculate it. Come down, when you come to this my website, which is ugodspower.com, just scroll down, click on where it said compound interest calculator, and here you are going to put the amount of money you want to invest at the end of the year. So let us say, for example, I want to invest only 1,200. Let us say 1,200 euros. That is what I just want to invest. And the percentage is this percentage, which is the annual interest rate. And here we are going to enter the year, which is we are going to enter 1 year. And now that we have entered the 1 year, we don't have the compounding. We are going to do it annually, not monthly, but you have the option to do it annually, semi-annually, quarterly, monthly, and daily. You can calculate it and see the amount of money you can make. On the monthly contribution, we are going to leave that and remove it and put it on 0. And we are going to click the part where it said calculate investment growth. So you can see that at the end of the year, the total money will be $1,334. $1,334, and the investment by me in 1 year is 1,200. And what I have earned, like the interest you get from this investment, $134. And you can see your money will grow by 11.1% return. So that is it. And if we scroll down here, you are going to see how your investment did, and so on and so on. So this investment calculator is very, very important. You can go check it and use it for your investment calculator. Let us say we want to add monthly contribution every single month, 100 euros. Every single month, 100 euros. Click on that. Monthly contribution every single month, 100 euros. We click on calculate investment growth. And as you can see, at the end of the year, we are going to get $205. Our investment have grown by 8.5%, which is something that is good. Remember, we did not calculate the dividend. Let us say we want to add the dividend. What we can do, since the dividend is 1%, here we are going to put 11%. So we are going to put it as 11%, which is plus the dividend. And we are going to click on calculate growth. And when we click on calculate growth, you can see the investment have grown up to 9.4%. And you can see we have getting investment return of what? $225. This is the power of compound interest. That is one thing that I just want to let you know here. Let us say, for example, now we want to increase the amount of years that we want to invest our money. You can see here, this is just 1 year. In 1 year, we earn $225. Let us say we want to do 5 years. Let us do 5 years. 5 years investment. Let us do 5 years investment. Remove that and put it in 5. And we click here and click on calculate. you can see in 5 years, we are going to get this amount of money here. $3,099. $3,099. That is the profit of what we made from this our investment. This is we just putting our money in this compound interest platform, which is the VUSA. It just depends on you guys. You can decide if you want to start investing into the S&P 500, but it's a good way that you can use to compound your money and make your money work for you. This is just what the calculator is giving us, but if you calculate it more better, you are going to see that you are going to even earn more than this. So that is everything that I just want to let you know, guys. Imagine that you multiply this your money, you increase it, you increase the amount of money that you are investing. Let us say, for example, you come here and you say, okay, you want to do like $500 every single month, and which is the monthly contribution, and you click on that, you can see, boom, $11,000 in the duration of what? 5 years. You understand? Let us say, for example, we change the 5 years to 10 years. Change it to 10 years. Change it to 10 years. Okay. Now that we change it to 10 years, let us calculate. You can see the total investment of what we have invested in the duration of 10 years is $61,200. The return of our investment is $56,120. So this is what we get in return from this our investment. We almost made 100% of what we invested back. So that is the power of compound interest.